Introducing the BWC090 lightweight body-worn camera. The lightweight body-worn camera has 34 megapixels and has a wide viewing angle of 170 degrees. The BWC090 body-worn camera also comes with a video resolution of 720p to 1296p, the video format of H264 MPEG-4. It is capable of zooming 1 to 128 times. It also has a high-quality built-in microphone, and the recording format is AAC2 or MP3 format. The camera has a loop recording feature. It creates sequential clips and automatically overwrites the oldest unlocked clips to ensure seamless recording. It can record in 1, 3 or 5 minutes intervals to allow the user to view with ease. This feature can be enabled or disabled in the settings. On the screen: resolution, battery status, police ID, device ID, storage left, date and time is displayed. During recording, the lightweight body-worn camera allows snapshots. Videos, snapshots and audio recordings can be viewed and playback on the 2-inch TFT-LCD high-resolution color display at the back of the camera. They can also be viewed on personal computers via transfer of USB 2.0. The body-worn camera is only 129 grams, and it is IP67 rating waterproof. The dimensions of the camera is 78mm by 59mm by 29mm. The default total storage is 32 GB, which can be upgraded up to 128 GB. The camera has a built-in 3200 mAh lithium battery, and the charging time is 180 minutes. For each recorded video, there is a time, date, police ID and device ID embedded in it. These are some of the recorded videos playing in different environments. The lightweight body-worn camera also has night vision mode that allows video recording to take place at night or not well-lighted places. It also has 2 IR lights to support it. The night vision also allows up to 10 meters with visible face detection. The camera comes with an auxiliary light with 1 white light and a support alarm. It also has a laser pointer built at the top left of the camera. You can set a password to protect from unauthorized personnel from accessing the camera. This feature can be disabled or enabled in the settings. The camera also has a clip that can be adjusted by rotating up to 360 degrees. The rotating clip can easily be attached or detached from the camera. The lightweight body camera can be used for different kind of operations, and it can be customized with some accessories to suit your needs.